Welcome to this brief guide on the zinc meltdown process in a new zinc kettle, focusing on thermocouple placement and preparation steps. Before starting, thermocouples of the type iron constantan or nickel chromium nickel must be used to accurately measure the temperature of the liquid zinc. The thermocouple must be protected from molten zinc attack by a closed-end tube made from the same material as the kettle walls, and it should be mounted on the kettle edge in a way that allows easy removal. During loading, zinc must be packed so that no point on the thermocouple tube is closer to the zinc. This prevents overheating or damage to the sensor. For preparation, ensure the kettle is fully loaded and insulated thermal covers are placed on top. This prevents heat loss and improves meltdown efficiency. Finally, always test the heating system before beginning the meltdown operation to confirm safe and proper functioning. Following these key points ensures a safe, accurate, and efficient zinc melting process.